I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market today. Soybeans really fell today. The concerns about the bearish WASDE report has everyone liquidating some of their positions. The slower harvest pace also could alter what's been expected by the analysts, and I think that there is some real worry that the carryout estimate is way too low, and if that number comes in big, or maybe over 900 million metric tons, it's going to be really a bearish day after that report comes out tomorrow at 11. And there still is no one in sight with the U.S.-China trade war. All those things are kind of like weighing on the market, and that's why it's kind of pushing it lower here. Everyone's worried that there's going to be a lot of negative things coming out, and the bearish report overall is just going to put some doom and gloom into the market. But it could possibly be a little bit overcooked today because we were down double digits. Corn was a little bit easier too. The optimism is waning. Even though we do have really strong exports here, there is lots of strength in there, but it seems that there has been a little sentimental selling because of the wheat and the soybean market today. That's why the market was kind of like working its way lower. And right now, traders are kind of holding their breath. The corn market has really been very stable over the last number of weeks. And so even after the market had kind of tumbled after last report, we did make it back, and we're holding in this little bit of channel, but traders are kind of concerned and really looking for this number. Hopefully that it could be positive or even neutral. That we can hang on to the prices where we are right now. Now, wheat was a little bit lower. Those Russian prices are well under U.S. and making it very difficult for the U.S. futures to really get any kind of a lift. Right now, we're down about a nickel, and we're still holding well, I'm going to say well above, but the $5 benchmark is really the big support number right now. But those lower wheat prices in Russia are just plaguing the futures, and every day they keep sinking a little bit. So we've been holding along in this low channel and holding actually pretty firmly above that $5 number. But that being said, you know, people are getting a little bit worn out with it. So we'll see what the report brings tomorrow. And everyone's hanging on to their hat just somewhat, but bearish really across the board for the grains. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.